Hello. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete guide to starting your programming journey. If you want to know how to enter the world of programming and which language to choose, this video is exactly what you need. We're going to discuss 3 sections. 1. How to enter the world of programming. 2. Which language suits you best. 3. The job market and the future of programming. First section, how to enter the world of programming. To enter the world of programming, the first step is to understand why you want to learn programming. Are you interested in related careers? Or maybe you want to turn a personal idea into reality. Now that you've identified your goal, you need to get familiar with the different types of programming languages. Languages are generally divided into 3 categories. High-level languages like Python and Java. They are simpler and more practical for beginners. Mid-level languages like C and C++. Suitable for those who want to dive deeper into programming. Low-level languages like assembly. Best for those interested in hardware and who want to learn the exact language of computers. Second section, which language suits you best? Now let's explore what each programming language is used for and how to choose the most suitable one. 1. Python. Ideal for beginners, artificial intelligence, data analysis, and web development. The book Automate the Boring Stuff with Python and free courses on Free Code Camp. If you're creative, enjoy solving problems, and are patient, this language is perfect for you. 2. JavaScript. Great for web design, web application development, and mobile apps. The W3 School's website and courses on Udemy. If you love seeing quick results on the screen and enjoy visual work, this language is ideal. 3. Java. Suitable for Android mobile app development and enterprise software. YouTube courses from the Programming with Mosh channel. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and enjoy working on large projects, Java is for you. 4. C++. Perfect for game development, operating system programming, and complex algorithms. The book C++ Primer and the YouTube channel The Cherno. If you enjoy tough challenges and love optimization, this language is right for you. Choosing a language depends on your goals, interests, and personality. So don't rush. Pick languages based on what you want to achieve. Third section, the job market, salaries, and major companies. Now let's dive into the most exciting part, the job market, salaries, and how major companies use these languages. 1. Python. $50,000 per year. For beginners. $150,000 per year for AI or data analysis specialists. Google, for artificial intelligence and data analysis. Netflix, for optimizing the recommendation system for movies and series. Tesla, in the development of self-driving systems. 2. JavaScript. $40,000 per year for beginners. $120,000 per year for full-stack developers or framework specialists like React. Facebook, in building user interfaces and React.js. Uber, for web systems and applications. LinkedIn, in developing the front-end sections of the website. 3. Java. $45,000 per year for beginners. $130,000 per year for enterprise or Android software developers. Amazon, in back-end services and AWS development. Android and Google, the primary language for mobile app development. IBM, in building enterprise and security software. 4. C++. $50,000 per year for beginners. $140,000 per year for game developers and system software engineers. Adobe, for developing software like Photoshop and Premiere. Epic Games, for building the Unreal Engine game engine. Microsoft, in developing the Windows operating system and complex software. Now you have a complete view of salaries, applications, and market opportunities. It's time to choose the right language and take the first step confidently